Hello students, today we discuss few other topic of this chapter is matter around us pure. So first of all, properties of colloid. So here we see different properties of colloid. So let's explain it one by one. Number one is colloid. It is a heterogeneous mixture. And what is heterogeneous mixture? I already explained it in previous classes. So let's see once again. So heterogeneous mixture, those mixture in which the substances remain separate and one substance is spread throughout the other substance as small particles, droplets or bubbles are called heterogeneous mixture. Next is the size of the particles of colloid between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer in diameter. That means the size of the particles of colloidal solution is bigger than true solution but smaller than suspension. That's why here it is written as the size of the particles of colloidal is 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer in diameter. And next is the particles of colloid or colloidal solution can pass through filter paper. So a colloid cannot be separated by filtration and colloids are quite stable. Okay, and next is colloid scattered a beam of light due to a fairly large particle as compared to true solution. Example, starch water, milk, soap solution, etc. Now this picture shows that suspensions and colloid exhibit Tyndall effect. And what is Tyndall effect? It is the scattering of light takes place by the particles present in suspensions and colloid, but true solution do not do so because the size of the particles of true solution is very small, that is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. The test tube on the left hand side in this picture contain a suspension which scatter the beam of light passing through it and render its path visible inside it because the size of the particle is large. The middle test tube contain a true solution which does not scatter light passing through it. Means in that case the size of particle is very small, that is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. That's why scattering of light doesn't take place. So we cannot see the beam of light inside the middle test tube which contain true solution. And the test tube on the right hand side in this picture contain a colloid which scatter the light and make the path of beam of light visible inside it because its particles fairly large. Now next topic is classification of colloid. So colloids do not involve only solid and liquid state. They may also involve gaseous state. So colloid classified according to physical state of dispersed phase, and dispersed phase is solute and dispersion medium is solvent. And most of the colloid classified into following 7 groups. So let's see it one by one. Number one is sol. So number one is sol, and what is sol? Sol, it is a colloid in which solid tiny particles dispersed in a liquid medium. So example of sol is starch. Okay, starch solution in which starch mixed in water, then we get starch solution. In that case, starch, it is act as dispersed phase. And dispersed phase is what? It is act as solute. Okay, and water, it is dispersion medium.
and it acts as solvent. So, sol, it is a colloid in which solid tiny particles dispersed in a liquid medium.